If you want to delete your Microsoft account permanently from your Windows or Mac, to delete your Microsoft account, start by signing into your account from any browser. Once logged in, you have to go to Your Info and scroll down to the Account Info section. From there, select Close Account, and a page will pop up explaining how to close your account, and you have to scroll down and click Close Account again. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Click on your email address, and Microsoft will send you a verification code on your email. Now enter the code and click Verify. Once you are on the Ready to Close page, read through the important details. You will have the option to choose a recovery period of either 30 or 60 days in case you change your mind. After selecting the time frame, I choose 30 days and then click Next. On the next page, you will see a list of warnings about the data you will lose once your account is closed. Go through them and check all the required boxes to confirm you understand, and you will also need to select a reason for closing your account. Once that's done, click Mark Account for Closure. A confirmation message will appear letting you know that your account is now scheduled for deletion. If you change your mind, you can recover it by signing with selected time frame. Otherwise, after that period, it will be permanently deleted. Click Done and that's it. Your Microsoft account is now permanently deleted. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.